What is Instagram Threads? Instagram Threads is a standalone app that allows users to share text updates, photos, and videos with their close friends. It is designed to be a more intimate and personal way to connect with your closest followers. How does it work? To use Threads, you first need to download the app and sign in with your Instagram account. Once you are in the app, you can start creating threads by tapping on the new thread button. You can then add text, photos, or videos to your thread. Threads can be up to 500 characters long and can include links, photos, and videos up to 5 minutes in length. What are the features of Instagram Threads? Some of the features of Instagram Threads include: you can choose to share your threads with your close friends, which is a group of people you select. Other users can reply to your threads, which allows you to have conversations with your followers. Threads posts can also be shared as stories, which means they will disappear after 24 hours. You can add stickers to your threads posts, which can help you express yourself in different ways.